Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about top 10 interview questions and answers. Everyone prepare for the interview. Either you are a fresher or you are experienced. But we always prepare for an interview and we want to know what are the top 10 interview questions and answers because interviewers ask question and we have to give them satisfactory answer. So today in this video, I am going to tell you about top 10 interview questions and their answers. Okay. First question is, tell me about yourself. This is the topmost interview question asked in almost every interview. Interviewer wants to know that how you can describe yourself. So first I'll tell you what are the points you should include while giving answer to such kind of questions. First point should be you have to start with your name. Second, give your place information, that where you live or where are you from. Next is education in short. After you have told your name and place, then you describe your education but in short. It should not be lengthy. Then if you have job experience, you can explain it. Finally, you can share your family details but in short. Okay, so this 5 points should be included while giving such kind of answer. You have to start with your name, then you have to give your place information, then you have to describe your education. After that, if you are experienced, you can share your job experience, and finally family details but in short. Okay, so let us see the example that how I can answer to such kind of question. My name is Shalu Pal. I live in Mumbai. I have done BE in electrical and MBA in HR. I have 2 years experience in HR and I have husband in my family in Mumbai. So this is the short answer which I have given to the interviewer while giving interview. So in such a way you can answer to such kind of question. Hope you have understand. Next question. Why do you want to work at our company? Many interviewers ask in interview such kind of question. They want to know that why you are interested to work in their company. So first I will tell you some point that you should include while giving such kind of answer. First is tell them what you like about company. Obviously this point is very important. We have to share that what we like about their company. Next point is relate it to your long-term career goals. Everyone is working to achieve their career goal. So relate to them that how working in their company will help you to achieve your goal. So these 2 points should be included while giving such kind of answer. So let us see one example. Sir, it is a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like yours. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching your requirements, where I can showcase my technical skills to contribute to the company growth. So in such a short way, you can answer your question. First, I have informed them that it will be proud feeling for me to work in a reputed company like yours. Then I told them when I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching with your requirements. Whatever the job profile they are having or whatever the job profile they are looking, my skills are matching with them. And also I can show my technical skills to contribute to their company growth. So in such a short way, I have given my answer to them that why I want to work in their company. Okay, hope you have understand this. Next question. This is also very common question in interviews that what are your strengths? Interviewer want to know that what are your strengths and how your strengths will be beneficial for the company. So while giving such kind of answer, you can include many points which is matching to your skills. Let us see some points. Adaptability. You can answer one point like adaptability, that you are adjustable to any kind of environment situation. Next point, hardworking. You can also tell them that you are very hardworking in your work and you work with full dedication and determination. Next point is honest. This is also a good point that you can answer, that you are very honest in your work. Flexibility, that you are flexible enough to work anywhere, any location, any environment. You can answer this point also. Next is optimistic. Optimistic means positive attitude. You can also include this point while giving such kind of answer that you are a positive attitude person, you work with positivity. Next point is fast decision making. You are a fast decision maker. This is also your strength which you can answer in interview, that you take decisions very quickly and you take very good decisions. Next point is persistent. Persistence means